Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for watching. Today in the shop we are going to turn a knob for this nightstand I'm working on for a client. Just a simple nightstand. I wanted to embellish it with a knob. I've never done one on the lathe before, so let's see how it goes. So I had some leftover ash from building your dining room table for a client. I just chucked it up in one of my jaws, and here I'm just trying to get set up. I'm going to round it over. A lot of times I use carbide tips. I think this one might be a little dull because I had a little bit more tear out, so it didn't turn out as smooth and I had to sand more. But we get there. I'm just turning the lathe off and on to check for round. You can also do it with your tool once you get the feel for it, but honestly I still just turn the machine off to check. Here I'm just hollowing it out a little bit to give it some shape. Now I'm just going to shape the side profile to how I like it. And then I'm using a scraper as well after this, and that just kind of smooths your cuts out a little bit. Right here's the the scraper. And I'm just going to do a little more sanding. I'll go to the drill press, drill a hole, and mount it. Now when I mounted it, I did use a little bit of CA glue in the threads of the screw just to give it a little more holding power. And I like to use a countersink bit for the screw head so that it didn't poke out all the way. Hope you guys find this helpful. This is a end table that I built for a client. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Alright guys, so there you have it. Pretty quick and easy. This is made of ash. The customer is going to be staining this himself, so I'm not worried about any finish. So the last thing I'll do is put a little super glue in the threads to give this a little more holding power. Thanks for watching.